Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new plus size, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new tops from Terran Sky, they have that plunging V. This little tie detail has the gathering. It's a relaxed fit through the front and the back, and they're $12.98. Also new from Terran Sky are these sleeveless tops. So they have that V neckline, this little button detail, the pleating with the contrast stitching, seam through the back. It has that same kind of gathering. These are $18.98 in the white with that corally trim, and then also the black. It's like solid black. And then right next to that is a new button-down shirt from Terran Sky. This is a linen texture, has the smaller collar, cuff sleeve, that seam detail, relaxed fit with that same seam and the crochet. And these are going to be $18.98. How cute is this new vest from Free Assembly? So this one has the scallop trim, the little tie detail, the embroidery, and then the same fit through the back. And they are going to be $24. New dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thin strap, squared neckline, seam detail at the waist, has that band to flowy skirt with the smocking in the back. Comes in white and navy. It's a little bit of a drop tier, so it's going to sit on the hips. And they are going to be $36. New eyelet top from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar. It's a shorter boxy fit with the scallop trim. Full button with that same fit through the back. It does have that eyelet running through the back. And these are going to be $24. Also new pull-on shorts from Terran Sky. These have the drawstring, elastic side pocket with the pockets in the back in the green. Also in that light blue. And they are going to be $16.98. Right above that they have a new contrast denim. These are high rise, relaxed fit, has this whiskering, pockets on the back. They're $17.98. They also have in just like the solid navy. And then new utility shorts from Terran Sky. These look like they're a high rise. They have the side pocket, the seam detail with the cargo pocket. Also has this little detail in the back with pockets. Comes in the camel, also in the green, and they're $17.98. New bike shorts from Terran Sky. These have an elastic waistband. It's a stretchy material. Seam fit with the little V design. In the pink acid wash, they also come in this purple. They have the black and gray and the teal, and those are $9.98. And then they have this style. It has a little side pocket, so it has that flat front. Same kind of fit. This one has that straight across stitching in the purple, also in black, and they're $9.98. New ruffle blouse from Terran Sky. This has the gathering, that plunging V, the flutter sleeve relaxed fit with the seam. Same kind of fit through the back in the green, also in the black, and they're $16.98. New tank dresses from Terran Sky. These have the thicker strap, that scoop neckline. It's a relaxed fit, kind of flowy, in this black with the blue, and they're $14.98. Also new V-neck dress from Terran Sky. This has the plunging V, the little flutter sleeve, ruching, relaxed fit. I think these are on sale in store. And then they have a new t-shirt dress from Terran Sky. This has that scoop neckline, drop sleeve, relaxed fit with the pockets, and they are $14.98. New belted dress from Terran Sky. So this one has the V puff sleeve, that side seam detail, seam at the waist, a flowy skirt through the front and the back, and the elastic. Also comes with a little tie, and those are $24.98. Match, they have the pull-on skirt. So this one has the flat front, the little tier. How pretty is that eyelet trim? Flowy with elastic through the back. In that purple floral print. Also comes in the denim that matches back to the denim top that we saw. It's the same cut, but just has the crochet and eyelet trim. And both skirts are $26. New pull-on pants from Time and True. So this is that linen texture. It has the elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket. It says relaxed fit in the navy and white stripe. Also has the trouser style pockets on the back. And then also the true kind of linen color stripe, and they're $21.98. New long sleeve eyelet dress from Time and True. So this has that split V elastic. The eyelet at the bottom also comes with the belt. they'll be linked down below. New chambray shirt from Sofia Vergara. So these have the smaller collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets, Western style seaming. It has the button detail on the wrist, scoops in the middle. This is the medium, so you can see it is pretty oversized with the seam detailing through the back. In the dark indigo, also in the light chambray. The light color looks like it has some distressing, and they are going to be $24. So first are these now, it says double cloth skirt. I thought maybe it was a dress. So it has that oversized smocking. It flows out. I think you could wear it as a dress if you wanted. It's not too short. In the pink, also navy, there's white and black, and they're $16.98. New vest from Scoop. So this one has the thicker strap, that square neckline, full button, a little V with the square in the back. Comes in the stripe, also in the solid black, and they are $28. And then the blazer has that smaller collar lapel, completely lined, relaxed through the wrist, has the button with the 2 flat pockets, oversized fit. This is the medium. In the stripe, also comes in black, and they are $40. New high neck vest from Scoop. So this has the high neckline, full button, completely lined. We saw it in the square neckline, and this is more of like that trouser material, and these are going to be $28. New prints in the short sleeve nightgowns from Joyce Spun. So these have that plunging V to short sleeve with the pocket, soft stretchy material, midi length with the slit, in the black with the pink flowers, also gray with the pink stripes. They have this pink with the heart and then the leopard, and those are $12.98. The next trend we're seeing is boho, and it's more of like a lot of neutrals, lace, crochet. This dress is from Jessica Simpson. It has that plunging V neckline, the scallop trim, fitted through the body. This one has the built-in slip dress. Comes in the solid ivory, also in this navy with the pink and purple stripe, and they're $40. And right next to that, a new dress from Jessica Simpson. This has that ruffle trim, the flutter sleeve, plunging V neckline, elastic at the waist, longer length, tiers all the way down, and then the seam fit through the back, and they are going to be $40. Also new peplum jacket from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the smaller collar, full button, the little peplum at the bottom, the button detail on the wrist, so you can make it a little tighter or relaxed, and then that peplum continues around the back. They are going to be $34. Also new wide leg cropped pants from Jessica Simpson. So these are high rise. They have the whisker, and you can see they're really wide at the bottom, and then that seam fit through the back. $32.50. If you want the inseam, check out the links below, but I would say they're about 26-inch. And then also new chambray dress from Jessica Simpson. This one has that plunging V neckline, this little tie detail, oversized balloon sleeve. How cute are the tiers? It kind of reminds me of like a Love Shack fancy cut with the smocking in the back, and they're $38. Also new chambray shirt from Free. This one has the snap buttons, 2 flat pockets, button on the wrist, scoops in the middle, seam detailing in the back, and they are $24. And then also new from Joyce Spun are these pajama tops. These are super soft. They have the smaller collar, full button in the pocket, longer sleeve. They come with the shorts. How cute. Elastic waistband in the shorts, flowy fit with the little boxer thing. Those are on trend. In the pink with the red stripe, that's perfect for Valentine's. Blue with the blue stripe, a floral and a plaid, and the 2 pieces are $21.98. Fruit dresses from Time and True. So these have a squared neckline, balloon sleeve, seam detail at the waist, it flows out. I love this print, but they didn't have my size, so I showed this one in the last haul. I love it. It's so comfortable, the quality's so good, and they're $18.98. Also new dresses from Time and True. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, midi length, or it's maxi length. These are longer with the seam in the back. They're very nice and stretchy. In the green, there's also pink and black, and they're $13.98. New scuba shorts from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, flowy, the side pocket in the black, also comes in the gray, and they're $16. Also new cropped scuba tees from Scoop. These have that crew neckline, the drop sleeve, boxy fit through the front and the back in the gray, also comes in black, and and they are $16. New dresses from Scoop. These have the thicker strap scoop neckline. It's a pony top and then the oversized balloon skirt in the black, and they are going to be $34. Also new eyelet dress from Time and True. So this one has that square neckline, oversized puff sleeve, seam detail under the bust, has that scallop trim with the little twist in the back, and these are going to be $20. And then this skirt has the smocked waist, the drawstring, flowy, and then the same through the back, and these are $26. New denim from Sofia Vergara. So these are high rise. They have the belt, the flat pocket, nice and flowy with pockets in the back. This is the Margot wide leg super high rise, and they are $28. Comes in this mid-tone, also in that really dark wash. This one is regularly $22. It's on sale in the blue palm print. It's like a blue leaf look, and it's down to $8.50. Also on sale are these linen pants from Time and True. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring side pocket, tapered leg, pockets on the back. I also shared these in a haul. Comes in beige, black. They also have a bunch more colors online. Regularly $21.98. They're now on sale online for $12.56. Sofia Vergara linen pieces are on sale in the green and black. They're majorly marked down. So this has that scoop neckline, the smaller buttons, the faux trouser pockets with elastic through the back. They are down to $12 depending on size and color. Also on sale, blazer as low as $16. Smaller collar lapel, completely lined with the one button, has the two flat pockets, and then the seam detail in the back. And then also the matching pants. So these have the button, side pocket, they're wide leg. The black and green are the colors that are majorly marked down in all pieces. The pants are regularly $28. They're down to as low as $15. Also new eyelet dress from Time and True. This one has the plunging V, fabric covered buttons, the little tiers. They have a bunch of colors online. Also new skirt from Time and True. This one has the flat front, elastic through the back with the slit in the new palm print. Also comes in that white and blue. And these are going to be $18.98. And then also new from Free Assembly is this boat neck top. So it has that boat neckline, the little cuff on the side, relaxed fit with the little slit, that same fit through the back, and they are going to be $12. Most requested, most asked about jeans, they brought them back. They're from Sofia Vergara. They're high rise fitted, and then they have this super oversized bell flare at the bottom, the seam through the back. These are nice and thin, and they have them online in the light blue color, and they're $26. They also have them in the white, but these are so good. Do not wait. They do not restock them until next year. New eyelet dress from Free Assembly. So this one has a little bit of a square neckline. It has the oversized puff sleeve, seam detail under the bust, flows out, and then the seam fit through the back. New dress from Time and True. This one has the plunging V, the little smocking on the shoulder, flutter sleeve, smock detail under the bust, nice and flowy, seam fit through the back. New little tank dress from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline. It's sleeveless, seam detail at the waist, flowy with the eyelet trim, that same fit through the back, and they're $28. New top from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, gold buttons, the boxy fit with the two pockets, seam fit through the back, and these are $24. New t-shirt dresses from Terrence Sky. This has the plunging V. It has that relaxed sleeve, relaxed with the slits, in the purple, rust, green, and black, and they're $14.98. Sneak peek dress from Scoop. So this one has the smocking at the top, oversized poplin skirt, that same fit through the back, comes in the purple, also looks like just the purple, and these are $30. Sneak peek dress from Scoop. This one has the smocking, the little puff sleeve, flowy skirt through the front, and then it continues around the back. Comes in the white, also in the purple, and they're going to be $28. Also new flutter sleeve dresses from Scoop. This is a textured material, has that flutter sleeve, the little gathering tie, flowy through the front and back, in the orange, like coral, also in the white, and they're $30. New color in the cardigan from Scoop. This one has that rounded neckline, fabric covered buttons, the same kind of fit through the back. We saw the black, now it's in the solid white. That one looks like, and they're $34. New dresses from Terra and Sky. These have that plunging V, the little ruching, elastic on the wrist. It's pleated through the front, and then also the back in the black. Also comes in that white and black, and they're $34.99. New flutter sleeve dress from Terra and Sky. This has the plunging V, the little ruching, same kind of fit. They're $14.98. And then they also come in that. I think we saw that before. They also have the new Bermuda pull-on shorts from Athletic Work. So they have the elastic waistband, drawstring side pocket, straight through the leg, the little slit. That's what the material looks like on the inside. Now in this new purple color, they have navy, they have a green and a blue, and they're only $7.98. In that same material, they brought back the straight leg pants from Athletic Work. So these have that high rise, drawstring side pocket, street leg in the gray. We also have navy and black, and they're $10.98. New cardigans from Sofia Vergara. So these have that plunging V, the gold buttons fitted through the wrist, also in the body. In the fuchsia, also comes in the white. How pretty does that look? And they're $22. New spring prints in the area nightgown. So these have a scoop neckline. It has that crochet trim side seam detailing, Henley buttons, midi length, it's flowy. In this blue with the navy polka dot, there's also this navy floral, white with the little pink and blue flowers. How cute is the pink floral? We also have this pink floral. There's another blue, this blue and pink paisley, and then the blue and white, and those are $14.98. Also new sweatshirt dress from Terra and Sky. This one has that mock neck, the zip, the little seam detail, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the two front pockets. In the purple, also comes in the teal, and these are going to be, they're $22.98. Looks like they're on sale in store. And then also on sale in store, these ribbed dresses. These have that scoop neckline, long sleeve, stretchy regularly, $16.98. They're on sale for $7. Comes in the teal and then also in the black. New blouses from Terra and Sky. This one has the V neckline, the little ruching, elastic through the sleeve, flowy fit in. This floral also comes in the black and white, the black and purple, and the teal, and $18.98. New denim dress from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the thicker strap, that squared neckline, the belts, front pockets with smocking in the back, that little button that goes around. And these are going to be $32. New denim skirt from Time and True. So this one has that seam detail pockets. Also has the pockets in the back. These are $16.98. They probably have more colors online. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.